Technologies in the year of 2015. So after completing that, I joined in small startup company. For I have been worked as a developer for 1 year in that small startup company. Then I joined in Robert Bosch as a quality assurance engineer, and I worked for German customers like Daimler and Audi projects. And I served 3 months of on-site while working in Robert Bosch. And total year of experience as of now is close to 5 years. So now I currently got offer in two automotive companies. One is Continental and another is Tata.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay. So I think your question is it safe time to switch job from one company to another and all that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think one thing I will tell you for sure is the automotive sector in general is going through a very rough patch. I have friends here and a couple of students that I counsel, and what I and those have been laid off from their job.
Okay.
So my my answer to you would be is I'm not sure that looking for a job in automotive sector as of now would be a right thing to do, to be honest with you,
Okay.
especially if you are very new to the company. It would be risky for sure, I can tell you that.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be definitely risky
Okay.
because there are two sectors. One is oil and gas, other is automotive sector. Both are going through a very very tough time right now. So I mean I don't know exactly what your job profile would be over there.
Okay. So
It-
it's like auditing. Do you know about ISO
yeah,
9001?
I know a little bit.
So it's yeah, it's same it's same like but in automotive domain.
Okay,
So
okay.
whether the software is qualified to deliver for the customer or not.
The current company you have, Bosch, they don't. It's a it's they make brakes, I believe, right? Brakes, I think, right?
Steering.
Steering, okay.
Steering, sir. Yeah.
I mean, the thing is that you currently you are working for a automotive sector. What is your feeling like from your colleagues and your office? What do you hear from them? Are they worried?
Multiple persons saying multiple things, sir. So they are telling, so in Germany only they will be cut off the resources. So if Germany they cut off means automatically the projects will come to India. So India will not have any problem. Like that they are telling. If you are telling, so if it happens in India, if layoff is happens in India, in the new company, new joinees will be terminated like that. So these two are the things.
One thing I will tell you. I think you made a very good point. So I'm telling you what is happening in US, right? And there has been a talk about like a lot of companies may move their manufacturing to India and those sort of a things. So it may not be that bad, hopefully, in India. So you may be okay, but do you have any inclination about like which company do you prefer, whether it the one in German one or the one with the Korean company Hyundai?
I prefer for Korean companies. Since Bangalore is near to my native, I prefer for
Okay, okay,
the Korean client.
that's near to your home.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes.
okay. I mean, to be honest with you, I think it's a very, very tricky situation to be honest with you. But you are getting some good raise. I think that is also a good thing that you want to consider. Did you speak to the manager about the current situation and what's going on?
They told once the offer is released, it is not a problem. it is not a problem. So we will. One second, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Sorry. So even now they are hiring few people. So after me, they interviewed and hired two persons in that company that is in Bangalore.
Uh-huh.
So they hired after me. They hired two persons and they interviewed and hired the two persons. So I talked with the HR clearly regarding this. So they are telling even virtual join also possible. Even tomorrow you can join. Like that they are assuring.
You know, I have worked with a Korean company, LG. I have worked with them.
Okay.
Yeah, so my feeling is that working for Korean company would be a better job security. They are less likely to lay off people. So, like for example, if it's a American company, they are the first one who will fire people, right? Korean companies are like very like Indian companies. They don't easily fire people.
So in that project there are multiple customers, sir, like German customers, and my customer is Hyundai customer. So I may
Yeah,
be also supporting for few German customers also.
right, right, right. No, no. So what I'm saying, what I'm telling you is that it is see, because all these roles are customer facing roles, right? So if you have a project from a customer, your job is fine, right? So that is the reason I'm saying that it is most less likely that the Korean companies will do anything. um, I'm not sure much about German companies, but Korean companies are less likely to do something stupid. See, the another thing you have to understand, I think Korea is currently playing a good role of transferring lot of their projects to India. They don't prefer to China, right? And so in my feeling is, if you, let's say, if you work for the Continental and for the Korean Hyundai client, it is less likely that they will ask you, the chances of you to lay off may be less, because my feeling is that the Koreans are less likely to stop their project in India, because the plan, I think
Okay.
they are planning to expand in India. So I think that's less likely, because they don't
Okay.
like China as much now, for sure, that I know. But with German companies, it is
Okay.
possible that they can find someone in Sweden or France, or something like that. So my
Okay.
that's again my feeling, based on what I've heard, and since I have worked for LG for 5 years, I have been to Korea a lot of times. I know for sure that
Okay.
they prefer working in India than anywhere else. But again, it is.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, sure. But again, I would
Reporting
say,
manager is of from.
yeah, go ahead.
Hello. My reporting manager is from Korea.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if I have to choose between two companies, I will probably go with Continental. Okay, that's number one. And actually, you are close to your home, and then they are giving you a little bit more money. So I think it's a good thing. That's number one. Number two, let's think about this COVID crisis, right? Um, so to be honest with you, nobody knows how the COVID crisis will play a role. But one thing is for sure, that if the situations become really, really bad, right, people who will get fired are the people who are probably new to the job.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yes.
most likely. But having said that, because let me ask you, all these roles are, you have to go to the floor, or you can do that, these work at home also.
At home also we can do.
Yeah, so so because these are, most of these works are on software, right? They are not manufacturing roles.
Yeah. Yeah. No. No. Not for
Yeah,
manufacturing.
so so if that is the case, I think you are much safe in that terms. Yeah.
Okay.
But again, to be honest with you,
Yes.
there has been many times in my career also where I thought that, oh, is that will be a risk? Should I do it or not? But unless and until you don't take a risk, um, you don't get reward also, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So if you say, oh, I won't join this company, maybe I will get fired. But who knows if your current company fires you, right?
Uh, boss will not fire anyone. It's have a good job security.
No, no, I'm saying, what I'm trying to tell you is it totally depends on the market.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So what I'm thinking is,
But one point, revenue-wise, Continental is now better than Bosch. Now lot of projects are going from Bosch to Continental.
so that I think that is the good sign then, to be honest with you then.
But Bosch has a good history. They will never. They are very employee-friendly company.
I can tell you what I will be doing. I will do, to be honest with you. So I mean, you have to look at the amount of money they are giving, right? They are giving you a good raise too,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So same the amount which I want to get in Bosch means it will be closely to 5 years. 5 year if I work here only I can get this amount.
Yeah, yeah. So, and maybe if you work in Continental after 5 years, your salary will maybe 20 lakhs. Who knows, right?
Okay.
I mean, due to COVID, mostly of in Germany, so India will go to not have a scope. I will give you my answer for sure. I will say if I decide to join, I will join the Bangalore company.
Okay.
If I decide to join, to be honest with you, whatever I have spoken with you, I think it is it's a okay risk as of now. It's not
Okay.
that of a risk, and considering that lot of projects are coming back to India, lot of projects I think India will be a big manufacturing hub in coming years. I think it's safe to move. It's not that bad. And you are saying, right, they are already hiring people right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and they have already told you that you can join remotely, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's a okay thing. I mean, to be honest with you, I joined a new job in April,
Okay.
and
Okay, sir. So
I was allowed to join remotely, so I joined it.
okay. Okay, sir. So like companies like Cognizant, one of my friend got selected in Cognizant. So she was supposed to join by March. Now the HR is not even picking the call and not even answering anything. So I explained these conditions, situations to the my HR, Continental HR. If anything like that, please say now itself so I can revoke my paper. They assured me we will never do like that, and they are allowing a virtual joining.
No, no.
And
So
even Jetaf is also that Hyderabad company also told the same.
no, no. So that's what I'm trying to tell you is I don't think you can assume that this is happening. So can this happen to me? What I think you are doing, you're trying to get as much information as possible, right? Yeah, so I think it's a good thing to do. What you can do, you can try to get as much information as possible. I will also tell you one thing you can do if possible. Try to talk to some of the employers, current employer in those companies.
Yeah, recently one person joined in my team. That is 2 weeks back.
Oh, have you spoken to him?
Yeah, I have been spoken to him. 2 weeks back, he joined in my team.
Yeah, yeah, but what I'm saying is where he came from. Is he a new person or an experienced person?
New person who hired for my team.
Okay, okay.
for the
No,
team which I going to join.
yeah. But what I'm saying is it possible for you to speak to people, other people in that company? Do you know anyone?
Yeah, yeah, sir. I talked with them. So